I'm an idiot. I just recorded probably like 5 minutes without having the mics turned on, but that's fine. We'll just breeze through everything because 5 minutes is kind of too long anyway. I'm done with my office. I'm painting my house now. I do have to get my camera set up, but I don't want to use this. I want to get a second camera, and I want to get this camera set up to always be mounted here and whatever, and have the lights set up. And I need a second camera for like vlogging stuff and whatever in order to do that. And I guess I can use my GoPro. I don't know. I can also mount that thing up to the ceiling and use the wire channeling on there, and which I should do because while I have the gray paint out, that wire channel is going to get painted. There's some stuff to clean up in here and a lot of videos that I want to make still that I'm going to be putting off because of I need to get painting done. So I'm going to touch up that eventually, probably tomorrow. Finish spackling a little spot behind there and then paint behind the fridge. Oh yeah, I made taco meat with some corn in it, and I made it in my crock pot that I bought because that's a lot easier than having to stand there and cook. I just dump it in the crock pot and let it go. But yeah, did I say already? I have videos until November 1st. So it's not like videos already uploaded until November 1st. So it's not like I need to record all the other videos I want to make. I can take some time to paint my house. So I spent like an hour on this already. I didn't film a before or anything like that because I was just kind of in the zone and wanted to get painted. So I got all there done and all this done. I do have to put on a second coat onto this. And also with the wall texture, I don't know if you can see, there are some spots that have higher bumps on it, and then some spots that don't have as much bumps. Down there you can see too. I don't think I'm gonna, maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I don't think I'm gonna touch up this. I'm just gonna leave it as it is because who the hell cares if there's like inconsistencies in the wall texture. And that's just my excuse for being lazy. But yeah, we'll do a second coat on this. And then, I did order a bed frame so I can finally get my king size bed put up. That'll be here on Monday. I still have to paint all the trim and everything like that too. Oh yeah, we'll do this wall too with just the roller. We're just doing everything that needs to be rollered today. And maybe if I'm not busy or lazy, I will do, if I feel like it, I'll do some brush stuff on the edges as well. But this wall is gonna get finished painting. I have to take those outlet covers off. Oh, I switched up the paint. Remember I was telling you guys that I wanted that platinum color paint? Well, I changed my mind because when I was looking at I look like a crazy small head boy. When I was looking at the paint swatch on the back of it, it said that the color has green undertones in it, the platinum colors. So I looked at my other swatches that I had and I switched it to a color called Fast as the Wind, which says that it has like either blue or gray undertones, which will match the rest of my house, my blue and gray theme. Also, when I was at Home Depot, I was looking at carpet, and now I kind of want to replace the carpet in here, even though this carpet's like mostly perfectly fine. Like there's some areas with wear on it and some areas with stains, but the carpet is probably like 96%, 98% fine. Let's go with 96. Maybe in the future we'll replace the carpet because this carpet is like a tan color. All right, let's get painting. Just want to touch base with you guys, give you a quick update. So I got like just the tops done. The paint that I chose, so I was using there's 4 tiers of paint in order of like durability and coverage, which ones cover in 1 coat, which one covers in 2 coats, and which is the most durable and cleanable paint and all that. So for this paint, for all the other paint that I was using throughout the house, I chose the second level of paint, and that's the Behr Premium Plus paint. And these are all in the satin finish. For this one, I chose the Behr Marquee paint, which is the top tier of what's available in this color. And it says that it covers in 1 coat. And I'm like, all right, this wall is dark. I'm gonna just use it because maybe it'll be cheaper having to buy 1 gallon instead of 2 gallons or whatever. So I only bought 1 gallon of this paint. I'll probably need 2, it's looking like, but this is, can you see? I'm putting this on pretty liberally. And I don't know if maybe this is just where it's drying that it's darker. We'll see, because I know this paint dries darker than than it really is. I know that this paint dries darker than when it's put on. It's a lighter color when it's wet. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I guess you can kind of really see it right there. A lot of splotchiness. And definitely up here you can see. We'll reserve judgment and for when it's fully dried. But this is the update so far. I also opened the blinds, so that's probably why it looks a bit brighter in here. Let me show you guys something. So it looks kind of fine with the first roll of paint. So what's happening here is that the left side of this roller, I think these are just crappy rollers, even though these are the Worcester rollers, and they're more expensive than the ones that I was previously using. And the ones that I previously used did have this problem as well. But so the right side, I think it's like clogged with paint, so it's not as like nappy. You can kind of see it, how like the top is wider than the bottom, because the bottom is getting all nappy and everything like that. So it's becoming really hard to paint because I'm only painting like 2 inches at a time every time that I roll. I think I'm gonna switch to a different roller. All right, this room's done. I didn't put a second coat on or do any touch-ups because I want to start painting the other room, and I don't think I have enough paint. 1 gallon isn't enough to finish that other room. And also do touch-ups here. I gotta say, so far, I know it's not completely dry, and you can see like right there where it's wet and dry. I'm very happy with the color. I'm almost kind of thinking about using this other places and thinking, oh, maybe I should have used this downstairs as well. But with downstairs, there's more white downstairs, and I wanted the more contrast. But it's a very lovely color. I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to get it finished and rip off the tape so we can see what it looks like next to the blue. But, oh yeah, we can actually see what it looks like next to the gray color in that room. All right, let's get painting in that room. All right, this room is all painted now. Unfortunately, all right, this is how much paint I have left. So is it too bright for you guys to see? I have a little bit of paint left. And what I'm gonna do is go to the other room and this room too and just touch up the walls with the roller where it needs like a second coat. And do make sure around the outlets are painted for the most part. So this way I can clean the outlet covers and put them back on. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can see, but there's lines in the walls because they put the tape over to put that design there and then painted over it, then remove the tape. So it's a raised edge from where the tape was when they did the design. And then also right here, hopefully you guys can see it. But I guess the handle probably went through the wall and they did a shitty job of spackling it and repairing it. So I'm going to have to sand like this whole wall and retexture it. But that's going to be for another day because, well, one, I don't have the paint to do all that right now. I mean, I guess I can sand and fix it and texture it right now. But I really just want to eat. So, yep, this room looks like this now. And this room looks like this now. I gotta say, I really love the blue color that I picked out. It goes with like everything. Oh yeah, I didn't say in this video, but I've said it in previous videos. This color gray is what's gonna be my cabinets downstairs and the cabinets upstairs as well. So I'm happy that it does show, you can tell the difference between the white and the gray. It's not too light that you won't tell the difference.